know that our Earth is on fire? Yeah, really on fire. And people all around the world will be like screaming and shouting because it is hot. So, how can this happen? How? Why? And what? Okay, I'll tell you why. Can you imagine a forest with so many trees? What can we do with trees anyway? Make books? Houses? Actually, it is not wrong to cut down trees, but illegal logging, it is definitely wrong. You see, when all trees gone, those piercing sunlight will be directed to soil, and the soil will heat up, causing a dry and hot land like today. See, trees, and there's no sun. Where did they go? Either it will be a house or a book for kids. What else? Decreasing number of industrial factories. They release deadly smokes and cause global warming, and also the open burning some irresponsible citizens tend to do. Furthermore, the melting ice at the North Pole causes the increasing sea level. In addition, it will cause flood, which can cause casualties. You know what it means by casualties? See a big wave coming up, like a tsunami, and people around that, it means death. Lastly, the increasing of the temperature from days to days. Whoop, and goes 100. So, how to overcome this global warming? Think. We can build forest reserves. For example, we take Taman Hijau where we can plant back all thousands of trees. And also we can make a fine whoever doing illegal things such industrial factory, the open burning, and forest devastation. Last from me. So, love our earth, respect our nature and future.